Oh my god, Sammy is crazy now. Oh my god, Poppy, we have a French bulldog. Oh, she proposed with me. Oh my god, thank you so much, Sammy. Oh my god, seriously? Holy crap. What? You're number 11? Oh my god, that's for the ice cream shop. Oh my god, Sammy, you're awesome. What the heck? Before 6, then 11? How did you do that? Me only, I got 8 now. Oh my god, holy crap. Are you there still, Warrior? Are you still there? Oh my god. Oh, Warrior, what's up, what's up? Sammy's flooding a gift now to me. And she gave me a private jet. Oh my god. But we cannot reach like 34 Warrior, like Warrior. Oh my god, Sammy, that's really crazy. Oh my god. Warrior is already 34. Warrior, I spin a little bit, not much. But I'm number 8 still. Okay, bye. Ah, okay, cool. Why don't you go live, Warrior? If you're waiting your car. Yes, I know you spend too much, I know. Oh my gosh, this is really crazy. Yes, I know. Welcome back, Sammy. Are ready for what? I'm on video now, you know. I'm making a video for you. Oh, what the heck? Thank you so much, Sammy! Oh my god! What's going on with this girl? Oh my god, Sammy! What's going on with you? Hi, welcome, SG Chim. Oh my god, Sammy is... Oh my god. Oh, there you go. Thanks for sharing for the golden star. I'm gonna put it on my YouTube, guys. Hi, SG Chim. How are you? SG Kim. I have... Oh my god. Thanks for sharing, Kim. SG, thanks for sharing. Guys, Sammy giving me a private jet 2 times. Oh my god. Yes, Sammy, you do. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for the golden star, SG. Oh my god, Sammy. Oh my god. Dummy. Thank you so much, Sammy. Oh my god, you're so awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god, you have a star now. Oh my god. I'm an Asian girl. Warrior, I'm an Asian. Mike Han, thank you for the golden star. Oh my god, Sammy. Seriously? Oh my god. I love you, Sammy. Warrior, I'm an Asian. Not Chimizi. Oh my god, Sammy. Scared Justin? Justin is 20 something. 23, no? Justin is 23 now or 18? I don't know. 23, I guess. Oh my god. You're 12 tooth sweet. Holy crap. You know who gave me private jet? Oh my god. Thank you so much, Sammy, for the rose, for everything, you know. It's really appreciated. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. You know who gave me a private jet before? First, who gave me private jet? Lol. The first one who gave me a private jet, it's oh sweet. It was Tony, I guess. Tony gave me private jet. And you give me 2. Warrior and SG didn't give me private jet yet. They don't give me private jet. Grand Style, welcome. Thanks for the golden star. What's up, bro? Oh my god, Sammy. Oh, really? Oh, really? Wow, cool. Call me daddies. Oh, I don't know about it, SG. I thought all I know is this Jake and Bake he's working at a Live Star. Jake and Bake is working in a Live Star? Or Sway and I don't know. Because the Warriors like, oh really? So how did they, okay. Oh my god. SG and Wario are SG. Jake and Bake is in Live Star, right? Or he's not? Sammy, welcome back again. No, we're saying about someone in live stream. They are working in the Live Star. So I'm just thinking who. Hi, Eyes One. That's to meet demand gifts. Oh, really? They're called. Ah, SG, I know. She is. Ah, Cortez. Ah, okay. Sway, I think Marka is working also in the Live Star. Because Marka is almost. And how about Ryan Berkey? Is he working also in the Live Star? Okay. You are just waiting for me to do it. You. Lol, Sammy, no, I'm just on live now. So, I need to be, okay, 7 minutes. It's fine now. Finish.